Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial on Even28.com. Today I'll be going over how to post treatment photos to your Even28 profile page. My name is Dr. Ali John Jaziri and let's go ahead and get started. So Even28 is a website designed to help dentists showcase their work, uh, book appointments online, and even sell dental treatments online. As part of Even28 profile, you get two pages. One is a practice profile page. The other one is your Even28 online store. Now, your practice profile page is a very important page because this is where you communicate with patients. It basically acts as your homepage, if you may, and it's also linked to your online store. So if you want to have success with selling stuff online, you need to create a nice and attractive practice profile page. So let's go over how you can create these photo galleries in order to strengthen your practice profile page. This happens to be my practice profile page, which we're going to scroll down. There's a picture of me. Then afterwards, there's a little snippet here. And right over here, there's a little photo counter. So this tells patients how many pictures you've posted to your profile so far. In contrast to the reviews where you get only so many reviews to post, you can put as many pictures as you like here. So 5, 50, or 500 pictures. The more pictures you have, obviously, the more content there is for viewers and potential patients to look at. So the stronger your profile. And my recommendation is try to put as many pictures as you can. So let's go and see how this all works. Okay, so in order to get to your photo gallery page, you can go and scroll down, or alternatively, you can just go ahead and click here, and this will take us, boom, right to your practice profile before and after photo gallery section. Okay, let's go ahead and take a quick look at what my photo gallery looks like, and then we can kind of start breaking down in terms of how you can post pictures and what to look out for. All these are posted to the website, the guidelines and everything, but I'm going to go and quickly take you through these things. So this is my last picture. Perfect. Okay, this is an example of how you post pictures for a case. You take pictures with the patient before and after, and then you email it and it gets posted to your profile. It sounds pretty simple. There's a couple little rules which I'm going to go over with. First off, you can post up to 7 pictures per case. So for example, for this young lady, we were doing her implant and I posted 5 pictures. So 7 is the maximum, which for complex cases like implants and braces, you want to try to get all these 7 pictures. For simpler cases like maybe a white filling or cleaning, maybe 2, 3 fillings is sufficient. But again, there's no limit, and the more pictures you put, the more there's for content you have for viewers to look at, and the stronger your profile looks. So there's nothing wrong with taking more pictures. Another thing you'll notice is there's a little thing called a watermark here. And a watermark is basically something that's placed to protect your photos. So whenever you send these pictures, what they do is they shrink your photos and they place these watermarks on them. They post them to your profile. And what essentially this watermark does is it makes these pictures useless anywhere else. So nobody uses your photos on their own website. Okay. Another thing they do is they tag all these pictures with your name. So if your name is Dr. Ali John Jaziri, all of these pictures are going to be tagged with your name. What's the benefit of that? The benefit of that is SEO, because Google knows you've posted 55 pictures to your profile and you're getting credit for all that work. In contrast to Even28, when you put pictures on Facebook or Instagram or social media, you never get credit for them because those pictures aren't um, detailed by the social media website as what they exactly are. So you can put pictures of stock photos versus treatment. You're getting the same credit for them. Whereas when you put your pictures here, they are telling Google that, hey, these are treatment photos by Dr. Ali John Jaziri. And it really helps boost your organic presentation on Google. Okay, so basically, long story short, it's helpful to put pictures on your profile. My recommendation, always get a consent form from the patient because you know what, they might change their mind. So it's always better to have a consent to photography on file. I always get it at the time of the picture and post it to the patient's chart. So make sure you're getting that. There's one you can download on the website and you can use your own. Okay. Try to stay away from gruesome and pictures. You know, nobody wants to see that. Avoid x-rays and bloody stuff. try to focus on happy, nice stuff. So maybe a before picture of a veneer. As you can see, this is a veneer case I've done. What the before looks like with the teeth, what it looks like with the veneers. And always try to put a picture of you and the patient. The picture of you and a patient is a very powerful tool. First of all, they get to see what you look like. I mean, you're going to be working their mouth, so they want to see who you are, what you look like. So put a picture of you with the patient, and also with the patient being happy. It creates an emotional bond with the viewers. And finally, when you look at these pictures, it's very easy to tell that this is actually my work. Now, maybe this one you have to blow it up, but when you look at this implant patient, you can see a lot of recognizable facial features. So it's very easy to actually associate this work with me. So patients look at this, they're like, oh yeah, this is the patient, this is the before, oh, this is what the teeth looks like. And again, you don't even have to just put pictures of the patient. You can put the prosthesis. It's fine. Anything that helps communicate your case and um, get you more patient is acceptable. There's really no rules here. And then this is the after, and this is me with the patient. So again, the more pictures, the more stronger your practice profile page, and the more chances you have of selling stuff on your Even28 online store. So my recommendation to you is don't ever let a patient leave your practice without taking pictures. And I don't care what kind of treatment you do. If you do a lot of cleanings, if you do a lot of take out cellular fillings and put white fillings in there, take a picture. There's nothing wrong with putting pictures of um, before with tartar and then after the cleaning with healthy gums, or a broken silver filling and cavities before and a beautiful white filling afterwards. Don't forget, when patients scroll through your practice profile page, they kind of create an image of what you do. So when you go through my profile page, you imagine I do a lot of implants, which is correct, or you imagine I do some clear aligner cases, which is also correct. So if you want to sell a specific treatment, whether it's fillings, cleanings, implants, or clear aligners, start putting pictures. Always, anytime there's a nice case, take pictures. And then all you got to do is just email it to them. So let's go over how you get these photos posted to your profile page. It's very simple. You can take pictures on your iPhone. If you have a nice fancy camera, great. But trust me, a nice iPhone, Samsung phone, or any kind of a smartphone is good enough. Take these pictures, make sure they're high resolution, and then go to your email function. So just email them. Try to always send the pictures of this patient and one case together. So whether it's two photos, or the maximum 7 photos of one case, send the photos all together. So go ahead and select the photos, and then you send them to admin@even28.com. Be sure to put your name and city and state so they don't post it to somebody else's profile. And of course, if you want to be polite, you can write down, please post them to my Even28 profile, but you don't even have to do this. They know what to do. And then you just click send. Now, a lot of times with the iPhone, if you want to send them an actual size, it might not go as an email. It might say you have to actually use some kind of a cloud software. You don't even have to send them like that. You can send them in a large format or a medium format. What they do is they crop it out and they take care of everything for you. So just send it as a simple email, and that's it. They'll take care of the rest for you. There's one more thing I want to go over before we wrap up this lecture, and that's if you have procedure specific pages. For example, I have a dental implant page, and this is for premium profile members only. So let's go over how this would look. So if you have a dental implant page and you have implant patient photos, these photos get posted to your practice profile page as well as to your dental implant page. So you might recognize these photos from earlier on. They're posted to both my practice profile page as well as my procedure specific pages. Now, the benefit of this is two things. First of all, these you get these photos posted twice, but when they're posted to your procedure specific pages, you also get to write a title and a little description, which is a huge SEO boost. So if you're looking for high-end procedures or specific procedures, it's beneficial to do this premium profile thing. And another thing which you might not recognize just looking here is these pictures are now meta tagged with the word dental implant. So not only do I get credit as Dr. Ali John Jaziri for these photos, but each one of these photos is meta tagged with the word dental implant. So Google basically recognizes these as implant photos, not just photos by me. And that really helps you attract more patients and get people who are searching for dental implant to land on this page as opposed to your competitors' profiles. So that gives you a lot of organic boost. And again, you get to write a little description and share some stories. So this is a very helpful way of selling treatment. But let's go back to my practice profile page. All these photos that we just went over, they're always going to be on your practice profile page. So you never lose your photos, regardless of whether you're a basic or a premium profile. Your photos are there. You can post an unlimited number of photos. This is a free service to all dentists, so take advantage of it. Don't ever let another awesome case leave your practice without taking photos and posting them to your Even28 profile. Otherwise, how else are patients going to know what kind of beautiful work you do? Alrighty, guys. Well, thank you for listening to our presentation. If you have any questions, you can email me personally. My email is drj at even28, which is drjay at even28.com. And again, just take photos, email to admin at even28.com, and they'll get posted to your practice profile page. It's really that simple. Guys, thank you for taking the time to listen to my presentation, and I wish you the best of luck in your practice.